Hello everyone, welcome to all of you came at that point. Today I will discuss class 10 chapter 3 metals and non-metal. This video is based on MCQ and it is a DPP 1. Let's start. So dear students, before start the DPP 1, I will share two very important information. Please take a pen and paper, right? Write down the questions along with the answer, right? Then it will be very useful to us. Okay, thank you. So let's start. So question number 1. Yes. So question number 1. Which among the following is the easiest basic for grouping substances? Number 1. Chemical properties, physical properties, both A and B and none of the above. Right? So answer is B, physical properties. Now question number 2. Metals in their which state have a shining surface? So dear student, basically all of you know the answer. It is a pure state. Okay, pure state metal, they have shining in surface. Now question number 3. The property of metals having a shining surface is known as definitely the right answer is metallic lustres, right? Now move to the question number 4. The properties of metals being beaten off into thin sheet is known as. So right answer is malleability. Now question number 5. Which pair among the following are the most malleable metals? So dear student, is very important question number 5, right? Please in the question number 5, above that you can write down the important, right? It comes into CBSE 2025. Okay, it's a very important question, dear students. So right answer is gold and silver. So now move to question number 6. Metals are generally hard, soft, maybe hard or soft, always hard. Answer is hard, right? Dear student, many student you can be think, sir, sodium is a soft metal. Right answer is also is C, maybe hard or soft. No better. Questions, it will be clearly mentioned that generally, right? That means in general form metal are showing the hard in nature. Getting my point? So sodium, potassium is an exceptional case. Okay, that's why the right answer is the hard, because metals are generally hard. Getting my point? Don't confuse, right? आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखोगे सर सोडियम मेटल तो सॉफ्ट होता है, तो व्हाई यू से ऑप्शन ए, राइट? सो I already told in generally, right? In generally metals are hard. Okay, thank you. Now move to question number 7. The ability of metals to be drawn into thin sheet is known as, right? So answer is ductility, right? All of you know that answer. Is a class 8 also, yes or no? Metal non-metal chapter also there. So now question number 8. Metals are dash of heat: bad conductor, good conductor, insulator, and none of the above, right? So right answer is B, good conductor. Okay, now move to the question number 9. Metals have high dash point: boiling point, phasing point, melting point, none of these. So right answer is C, melting point. Metal, in generally metals have high melting point, right? Above among the following pair are the best conductor of heat. Dear student, question number 10, I repeat again, question number 10 is very important. It comes into CBSE 2025 exam, right? It's an expected question also. Please note down in a chemistry notebook and mark very important, right? People star, double star, whatever you know, you can be mention that question number 10, right? So which among the following pair are the best conductor of heat? silver and gold, gold and copper, zinc and copper, silver and copper. So option D is the right, silver and copper. Now move to question number 11. Right. So which among the following pair are the four conductor of heat? Silver and gold, lead and mercury, lead and copper, mercury and zinc. So dear student, it's clearly mentioned the question four conductor of heat. Answer is lead and mercury. Right. Option B. Now question number 12. The wire carrying current in our homes have which coating? Right. Rubber like materials, PVC, both A and B, and none of these. Dear student, your right answer is both A and B. Rubber like materials, yeah, PVC. So now is question number 13. What does PVC stand for? What do you mean by PVC? Okay, so PVC means polyvinyl chloride. Okay, dear student, question number 13. I again repeat the same things. Question number 13 is very important. It comes into CBSE 2025. Please mark this question number 13, right? And triple star also. So it is very important. So what does PVC stand for? Polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride. Okay. Now question number 14. Metals are dash of electricity. Poor conductor, insulator, good conductor, and none of these. So all of you know the answer. Metals are a good conductor of electricity, right? Now question number 15. Why are the electric wire coated with PVC? Already discussed, right? To prevent from shock, to prevent from fire, to both A and B, and none of these. So very simple, to prevent from shock. Now question number 16. The metals producing sound on striking a hard surface are said to be, answer is sonorous. Okay. Now question number 17. Which among the following is a non-metals? Zinc, carbon, sulfur, both B and C. Answer is both B and C. Carbon and sulfur is a non-metals, right? Now next question. Question number 18. What is the general state of non-metal? Dear students, question number 18 is very important, right? So in general state of non-metals, either solid or gases, either gases or liquids, either liquids or solid, none of these, right? So right answer is either solid or gases, right? बहुत सारे बच्चों को यहाँ पे डाउट हो सकता है, वो बोलेंगे सर डोंट माइंड प्लीज आइदर गैसेस और लिक्विड्स ऑल्सो, राइट? डियर स्टूडेंट्स, you are right, either gases or liquid also right, but my question is different. What is the general state of non-metals? That means general state in the periodic table. Okay, S block, P block, D block and A block, 4 blocks are there. Okay, have a look once at periodic tables, you know the answer, right? In generally solid or gas, many elements are there. Got my point? Do you understand my point? Yes. Now move to question number 19. Don't confuse question number 18, right? Answer is the A, because I just mentioned the questions general state of non-metals, right? The option A is the right answer, either solid or gases. Got it? Now question number 19. Which non-metal is liquid? Now अभी यहाँ पर आ गया, ठीक है? जो आपका डाउट था इधर आ गया आपका. Which non-metal is liquid? Answer is bromine. Bromine is also a non-metal, but stay in the liquid state. But ये जो ब्रोमीन होता है ना, बहुत ऐसे कम मेटल्स होते हैं जो लिक्विड स्टेट में रहेंगे. गट माय पॉइंट. इसलिए मैं उसको यहाँ पर ऑप्शन बी को नहीं लगाया क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 में, राइट? ऑप्शन ए को इसलिए लगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे लिखा है जनरल स्टेट. डोंट अंडरस्टैंड माय पॉइंट? आइदर सॉलिड और गैसेस. क्लियर? नो डाउट. थैंक यू. Now, dear student, question number 20. Which is the only metal that exists as liquid at room temperature? All of you know the answer, right? Answer is mercury. Mercury exists in the liquid state at room temperature. Mercury is a metal. Okay. So, dear student, this is the last question, question number 20. ओके, वीडियो को अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, ठीक है। अपने जितना भी रिलेटिव्स है, दोस्त हैं, ठीक है, उनके पास शेयर करिए, बहुत हेल्प होगा उनको, ठीक है। सब मिलके इम्प्रूव करते हैं हमारा एजुकेशंस को, ठीक है, बहुत उसको अंडरस्टैंडिंग को बढ़ाते हैं। गॉट इट। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। हैव ए ग्रेट डे।